advantage out of that.
Residents of Mukroh village in West Jaintia Hills are protesting against the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC for cutting down trees and restricting villagers' access to forests. The Dorbar Shnong has requested state government intervention and 24-hour security to prevent further incursions. Despite informing authorities, construction of roads by KAAC continues, causing tension in the region. Secretary of Mukroh Dorbar Shnong, Precious Sten, alleged that the security personnel guarding the road construction workers have been harassing the residents of Mukroh who would go to the forest to collect firewood. The resident had also met Deputy Chief Minister Snyabhalang Dhar on the issue.
Kala Assam ban le jubor ki cloud ki tap jong shnong ki bri ki research jong ki nong shnong hakaba kala pentlem ni tiding ba kala shna yo surok hapo puru ang jong shnong